This is the N&DL cam lock, 2-row dimple lock. There's 11 cuts on the key. Not sure if there's actually 11 pins in here. All right, well, let's see if we can get this thing. I tried to free the caps beforehand, but they are on there. I even drilled dimples in them and tried to pound them off with a screwdriver, and they will not budge. So I don't have a driver that will, or a follower that will fit because of this bolt here on the end. So I'm going to see if one of my sockets will work. If it will, then I'll gut it. If not, then it's just not going to get gutted. I don't know, these might be too big. I think they are going to be too big. Yep. Yep, they're too big. So I don't have a follower that will fit. This is the smallest follower that I have. It might be the right size, but it's solid, so it's not going to work, and I'm not going to try to shim that distance. Just not going to do it. I don't want to explode this thing and have to deal with that and then be forced to remove these caps. So fortunately, not going to gut that one. It is the N&DL dimple lock cam lock.